KidSafe Video Player is the best solution for kids and parents to watch YouTube videos in a safe way. Beyond having entertainment, they will learn and will have fun with the content. Surfing the different sections, we will discover new content every week. Using the parental control of Sami Apps, we make sure that the children only are able to watch suitable videos for their age. We look for their especially liked videos, and we add them on favorites. Only the parents are able to decide when it's time to go to bed, setting the timer. Do we use the opportunity to learn languages? Our kids will learn English with the best cartoon videos. We will enjoy the YouTube Kids videos in a completely safe way for our children.